Hello everyone. I got some nice freshly blowed out hair ready to do my hairstyle. Yes. So let's show you the product. I got braiding hair ready to go. And I got some rubber bands soaked in oil because it's good to do that before I put it into your hair, okay? Okay. So you can see here, I split my hair from the top portion and the bottom because I want to work on the top portion separately from the bottom, right? So now I'm working in some parts in the front so I can section it. So here I got my part, nice. A nice straight line going. I put some gel to this, make sure the part is nice and crisp. I put away the other part of the hair I'm not working on. So you can see what I'm gonna do here. This is where I'm using the rubber band. So now I want to start on my next side. So I'm just going to part that out. Do the same thing like I did on the other side. So here I'm working on braiding all of the section, and then I'm going to move on to designing the rest of the top portion of my hair. So now you see me using the braiding hair. So basically I'm just using the braiding hair to just extend the braid. So at this point now I was basically just freestyling how I'm gonna do the rest of the top portion. So now I'm wrapping up the top portion. I want to connect those braids that I made in the front together with rubber bands. Alrighty, so now you see here in the back, I just quickly braided the back. And this is like basically the finished look. So now it's time to design it. So we're almost done. The only thing left is adding the half wig to the back of the hair. Ta-da! So I'm just combing it. And then this just looked awesome. I was like, great. But I wanted to add something else. I was like, let's add this braid that I created from literally braiding hair as a crown. I just make sure to add some pins to secure it, and this is the finished look. Enjoy the rest of the video.